ॐ वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयिवुन्
ऐवुन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओन्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यामाङ्गणम्
ञमाङ्गणम्
जभै
जभै
घटधश्
खडगश्
जबगढधश्
जबगडश्
खफ छठथ छटतौ कपै
कपै
शशसर् हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुः विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
सुयशानां तालु
युजुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गनानां नासिका च
ञमाङ्गनानां नासिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः
तालु
ओदौतोगो कंठ ओष्टम
कंठ ओष्ठम
अकारस्य दंत ओष्टम
मकारस्य दंत ओष्ठम
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य
जिह्वामूल्यं
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहितनिशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
So in the last class, I introduced this Jashva Sandhi, which is Padanta Jal. Padanta Jal will be replaced by corresponding Jash letter. So remember, Jashva Sandhi will apply first. After that, you can do Stritva Stritva Sandhi. This order you have to remember. Slowly, we will insert some rules also in between. It will come. But now, Padanta Jal. Padam is that sup pratyanta, thing pratyanta, it's called Padam. That will be replaced by, if it is a Jal letter, it is replaced by Just letter. That's called Just Vidhi number 1. The 18th rule. 18th rule in the list. Then you can see after that, Shtitra Sandhi, all this came. We saw that. Then again, Jashtra Sandhi came in after this Anunasika Sandhi, that is Jashtra Sandhi number 2. That is comes later. First Jashtra Sandhi, it makes Padanta Jal to Jash. Second Jashtra Sandhi, there is no condition of Padanta Jal. So in Jal letter, when followed by Jash, then Jal will be replaced by again Jash letter. This also we saw. So when you do the Sandhi joining, so you have to do it sequentially. Apply the rules. Check the right side column. The numbers are there. That's only for our reference. Or the numbers, if not also not required, you can remember the krama, the order. As of now, the order is Jashtra Sandhi number 1 to be applied first. And Shutta Sandhi, taking into consideration their apavadas, exceptions. And Shtutta Sandhi, if it is applicable, here also taking into consideration their apavadas, apavada will rule over the general rule. So apavada is important to be noted. Shtutva, Shtutva. After Shtutva, Shtutva, then comes Anunasika Sandhi. This is the order. Anunasika Sandhi. What is Anunasika Sandhi? When Padanta Yar followed by Anunasika, the Yar letter will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter. This we saw in the last class. What are the Yar letters? What are the Yar letters? Yar Pratyahara. Starting from
Haya Hayavara.
Yeah.
Hayavara.
Up from.
Up to Shashi, sir.
So it means it excludes Hakara, right? Sibilant. All the other letters are included. Other consonants are included. Now, if it is all the other consonants are included, so all the class consonants are included, right? All the semi-vowels are included.
Yeah.
Then all the sibilants except Ha is included. Sha, Sha, Sa. Now let me ask you, what is the Anunasika letter of any of the Kavarga letter?
Nga.
Nga.
Fifth letter, right?
Yeah.
For,
Fifth letter.
for Chavarga it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nga.
Kavarga? Na.
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 Kavarga? Na.
Na.
Kavarga? Ma. Right?
Ma. Yeah.
Okay. What is the Anunasika letter of Shakara, Shakara, Sakara? Sha, Sha, Sa. Don't worry, we will not have that, because that Shakara, Shakara, Sakara, all these things will be taken care by the previous rule itself. So that will not survive here. So therefore, we don't have to worry about it. But the semi-vowels can come, right? Semi-vowels, Ya, Va, Ra, La can come. What is the Anunasika letter of Yakara? Anunasika letter of Yakara. The semi-vowels, Ya, Yakara.
Ma.
The nasalized component. Remember, nasalized component. Yeah, that Ya with the Chandra Bindu. The Ya with Chandra Bindu, that is the letter. Okay. You can note that. We have seen this. It's not something new. We have seen this in Yensandi itself. I think we have seen this. Yensandi. But you can note, remember, the chanting, you will see this.
Sixth principle, Lan, that Addabindu La.
The same, similar like that. Yakara will have Ya, and Vakara will have Va, and Lakara will have La. Repa will not have anything. Okay, Repa doesn't have Savarna. You can note. So Yakara and Ya, that Yakara and the Anunasika Yakara, they are Savarna. Lakara and Anunasika Lakara, they are Savarna. Vakara and its Anunasika, they are Savarna. But Repa doesn't have Savarna. Okay. So when an Anunasika letter follows, suppose Yakara, yes, Ed letter followed by Anunasika. This possibility is there. Air letter followed by Anunasika. Air letter followed by Anunasika is the air letter could be, as I said, it could be all the consonants, the semi-vowels, and the sibilants. Okay. Now, here you have to little more on this.
Guruji, that Anunasika for air letter, can you explain?
I'll explain again later. First, let me say what I want to say. Okay, I think at this point I cannot say that. Okay. This sutra practically, because we need to know this rule, more rules we have to know, then only this will. Further I can explain on this. For this Anunasika Sandhi, for practical purpose, you can take this rule will apply only when the Vargiya Vyanjana, only when the Vargiya Vyanjana followed by Anunasika. So don't worry about the sibilants or the air letter, this semi-vowels, because this will not come. Why this will not come, you cannot ask, because the other sutras, preceding sutras will take care of those. Therefore, will not come. So for all our practical purposes, you can take this Anuswara Sandhi, that air letter means this Varga Vyanjanani. Varga Vyanjanani means class consonants. When the class consonants are followed by Anunasika, then the class consonant will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter. Understand? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Sharanji,
Yes,
can
Guruji.
we have a small example?
Example, what example for what?
Yeah, when it's followed by Anunasika.
Okay. For that example, okay. Here itself, we're going to see. Anyway, I'll give you an example here. Udaharanam. Do you see my screen? I'm typing.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. Okay. I'll give one example. Yeah, can you give many example? We are going to see. In fact, we are going to many things, many examples. Vag. Vag plus Mayam. Okay, as I said here, Padanta here, for practical purposes, you can take it as Vargiya Vyanjanani. That alone you can consider. So that's Vargiya Vyanjanani. So class consonants. So most of the problems are solved. Only with class consonants come, you are going to apply this, because other things will not come. So now example I've given. Vak plus Mayam. You see, Mayam word begins with fifth letter of the class. It's Anunasika, right? Makara.
Yeah.
Following
Yeah.
the Vargiya Vyanjana, Gakara. Vargiya Vyanjana is class consonant. So Gakara, now Gakara is followed by Makara. You have to look upon the Gakara as a air letter, and that too Vargiya Vyanjana, followed by Anunasika. Now what will happen to this Vargiya Vyanjana?
Vangmayam.
It's Anunasika letter, Savarna letter is, we know, Kha, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nga,
Yeah.
right? Nakara will be the
Yes, Sharanji.
Vangmayam.
yeah. It becomes Vangmayam. Gakara will be replaced by Nakara. Vangmayam. The Rupam would be. So Gakara will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter, Vangmayam. This is Anunasika Sandhi. I'll give more example.
Guruji, what about the Ganga? That is the Ga, but
That is different.
same
That's we'll see later.
Oh.
Yes. Shad plus Mukam. Here you can see Dakara. Dakara is Tavarga letter. It's a class consonant. Followed by Mukha. It's a Anunasika letter. So
Shanmukham.
Dakara's corresponding Anunasika letter, which is fifth letter, Varga Panchama, that will come. It becomes Shan. Come. Many such examples are there. Okay. This is Anunasika Sandhi. So
Sharanji, for the Katora Vyanjanani, also the same rule. Like if it is
same,
Vak.
any Vyanjana.
Okay.
Katora Vyanjanani, okay, let me give one example for Katora Vyanjanani. See, Trishtup plus Namati is there. What is Pakara? Is it not Katora?
Yes, Sharanji.
Hard consonants, right? Kar letter. Katora Vyanjana is Kar letter. Followed by
Anunasika.
Anunasika. What will happen to now Pakara?
Trishtum
Ma. Ma.
Ma.
Trishtum. Namati.
Think and answer. Please think. Hmm?
Trishtum namati.
Double
That's
N.
correct. The Bakara will be replaced by
Makara. Papa
Fine.
baba ma.
Makara.
Makara.
But before that, we have to apply one more rule. You don't remember the krama when it comes to 8.2. That is from Justice Sandhi onwards, you have to apply.
Trishtun namati.
No, not Nakara. It's Makara only. You have to remember what we have studied. Namati is what? Padam, right? It's a Padam or not?
Yes.
Namati is a Padam. Therefore, Trishtu must be a
Padam.
Padam. So when you apply the rule, the first rule, the sequence, if you see this, which rule will apply?
8.239.
Justice Sandhi will apply. That's what I said from the beginning. Remember, Justice Sandhi to be applied first. After that, Shtutva, some more rules will come in between. Then we will see the chart expanding. So first, what we know Justice Sandhi. Justice Sandhi is applicable for Padanta Jal. So for this also, this is an example. Now, let me write that Trishtup here. Trishtup plus Namati will become applied Justice Sandhi because Jal letter follows, right? Sorry, Jal letter at the end of the Padam. What is the letter? Pakara. Pakara is the Jal letter. So therefore, what will happen to Jal letter being at the end of the Padam?
Corresponding Jash.
What is that Jash letter? What is the Jash letter for Pakara?
Cha.
Huh? Chakara.
No, cha.
Why are you doing Chacha Jaja? You have to be replaced by Jash letter. Why? Jash letter means you have to remember Jabagada Dash, not Chacha Jaja. Why are you taking Chavarga? Is it Chavarga letter? Padanta Jal replaced by Jash letter, right? Jash. What are the Jash letters? Third letter of all the classes, Jabagada Dash. Where is Chacha Ja is there?
Ba.
Fourth letter and third letter.
Jash is only third letter. There is no fourth letter. First you have to straighten your pratyaharas. Okay.
Jal is the fourth, Guruji. Jash is
Jal,
the third.
not only fourth. Jal is
That's
4,
what I was
3, 2, 1. All the sibilants are there. Jal letter.
Oh, okay.
It is not only fourth letter. Why it is fourth and 3? In fact, all the letters except semi-vowels, everything is included there. So here this Thani is Jal letter, Padanta Jal. First I established this is a Padam. How do I know it's a Padam? If you don't know Trishtup is a Padam, you can take the word Namati. Namati is a Padam, therefore this must be a Padam, right?
Okay.
It's a logical thing. If wife is married, husband is also married, right? You can't be a bachelor.
Yes.
So Namati is a Padam, that Trishtup must be a Padam only. Now Padanta Jal letter is a Pakara. Replace it by corresponding Jash letter. Pakara Jash letter is that Pavarga's third letter you have to see. Pa, ba you have to say, not cha, cha, ja.
Okay.
Bakara. So Bakara comes. Trishtub plus Namati. This is what Jashva Sandhi does. And Jashva Sandhi to be applied first. I keep saying Jashva Sandhi first, so that it will sink in your mind. So Jashva Sandhi to be applied first. Don't jump to Anunasika Sandhi. Pakara is there, air letter, followed by Anunasika. No, I will apply Anunasika Sandhi. No, first. No. Even though examples is given for that, apply, go back there. Apply here. Bakara. This Jashva Sandhi you apply. Trishtu plus Namati. After that, you can apply this rule, Anunasika Sandhi. And this Anunasika Sandhi is optional also. Okay. So Trishtu, now what will happen to Bakara? Replace it by
Anunasika,
What is that
the
letter?
last one. Ma,
Makara.
ma.
Akara. Therefore, you have Trishtum Namati. And this, since this rule is optional, therefore, Trishtub Namati also can be there. Both are okay for everything. Here also. It is Vag Mayam or Vang Mayam, Shanmukha or Shanmukha. Both are okay. It's because it is optional. So you understand. So don't forget Jasha Sandhi. Because he has a kar letter. Therefore, kar letter, I mean the first letter, right? He has the kar letter. So it could be a first letter or second letter. Understand? First letter, second letter, or the kar letter or not? Of the Varga Vyanjanani. Yes or no?
Yes, Shanji.
First
Yes.
letter of all the classes, second letter of all the classes, are they kar or not? They are
They
kar
are
only. Kha, pa, cha, tha, tha, chatata, kapai. We chant every class. That's why we chant every class. You have to know by heart. If you say the pratyahara, you have to say the content. So, first letter or second letter comes, and that is a part of jal letter. If it is at the end of the padam, you have to apply Jasha Sandhi. Always Jasha Sandhi first, because Padanta Jal includes all the letters 5, 4, 3, not 5, sorry, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the civilians. So, but here it is not the case. Here also, in fact, you have to apply. It is not the case like that. Here also you have to apply. Here it is already applied, therefore you don't have to apply. But let us apply. What is this letter? Jal letter.
Jal.
Jal letter. Yeah.
Mayam is, you can take it as Mayam. Mayam is actually it's a pratyaya. So this example is not a good example here.
Shanji, if we start from Vak.
That's what. If you start from Vak, in fact, it is Vak only. Okay, let me do like this. So it's not a dosha. Vak plus Mayam. That Vak is what letter? It is
Kar letter.
Kar letter. Apply Jasha Sandhi. It becomes Vak plus Mayam. Now you have Vag Mayam. Now you apply, you get Vag Mayam. Okay. This is how it is. If we take it as a Vag, it becomes like this, Vag Mayam. Right? Similarly, Shatmukam also. Before it has become Shad, what was there? It is Shat. You can take like that. Shat. Shat means number 6. It's a Padam. Takara replaced by Takara being a Jal letter. Padanta Jal replaced by Shad. For this Sandhi, I am taking only this part. That's all. Okay. For this Sandhi, I am taking only starting from Shad plus Mukam. I started from like that. So it's okay. So it means Jasha Sandhi is applied first and then Anunasika Sandhi. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Shanji.
Guruji.
So this is Anunasika. So don't forget to apply Jasha. If it is the Padanta Jal, apply Jasha. Always Jasha Sandhi comes first. This you have to strongly keep this in your mind. Okay. Then Anunasika Sandhi. After Anunasika Sandhi, if still Jal letter survives and if Jash letter follows, then replace Jal letter by corresponding Jash letter. This is Jashva Sandhi number 2. This is Jashva Sandhi number 2. For this, you need example. Yes. I'll give some example. Here, the condition is a Padanta Jal condition is there. Is there or not?
No.
Condition is not there. So, therefore, there is no condition. It's a Padanta Jal. Whether it is a Padam or it is not a Padanta doesn't matter. Jal letter, when followed by what letter? Jash letter. What is Jash? Jash is 4 and 3. Then what will happen? The Jal letter will be replaced by corresponding Jash letter. This is called second Jashtvam. Okay. second gesturum. I'll try to give some simple example. Simple example. Simple example. What example give? Okay. All pratyaya examples are there. 1 minute. Pratyaya example I cannot give now. Pratyaya comes when it is apadanta. Therefore, give me a minute. I will take out some simple example. Okay. This Vishwasandhi number 2. It's difficult to give example. Okay, but I'll give some example. Maybe you have to understand that without getting into too much into that. The what is the word and all, because that we have to see long way to go that. Okay, so let me give this example. Dug plus dum. Suppose if it is there. Dug plus dum. Okay, we are joining this. Dug plus dum. You don't have to know what is dug and all. In fact, it is from a dhatu, the rupam has changed. You get dog plus dum. Dum is another, it's a pratyaya. Tum pratyaya that has become dum. How it has become and all, it is not required, out of scope now. Now you join this. Dog plus dum. What is at the end of the first word? Gakara, right? What will happen to Gakara when followed by Gakara, which is a jal letter, followed by Dum. Dum is Jhash letter. Fourth letter and third letter, fourth letter of all the classes and the third letter of all the classes are included in Jash. So that follows. Dhakara follows. So what will happen to now? Gakara. That will become Gakara will be replaced by Jash letter. What is Jash letter for Gakara?
Ga.
Simple, right? It's a difficult
Yeah.
thing. Simple. Gakara will be replaced by its corresponding Jash letter, third letter. Gakara is a fourth letter of that. Then you have to see that class. Gakara belongs to which class? Kavarga, right?
Kavarga.
Ka,
Yeah.
kha, ga, gha, na. For Kavarga class, which is a third letter?
Gakara.
Ga.
Gakara. That is a Jash letter. Jash is ja, ba, ga, da, dash. Ja, ba, ga, the Gakara, third letter. That comes. So you get dug, right? This is what a sandhi is. Dugdham. So duk plus dhum will become dugdhum or dugdham, whatever may be. It will be like this. It's okay. Okay. This is a rupam. It is not, the example is do, not duk. The dhatu is from duk. It's okay, doesn't matter. Here that changing it, that doesn't disturb the sandhi. Dog plus dum become dogdhum. Here you cannot apply gesture with the number 1 because dog is not a padam. It's not a padam. So apadanta, not padanta, apadanta jal followed by jash letter. So gakara replaced by gakara. Similarly, other example, bodh plus dum. What do you have?
Same Bogdum.
Not bogdum. How can be bogdum? Dakara, bodh, dha,
Bodh. Oh, so then Dakara, the third.
bodh,
Bodh.
dakara. Dakara, dakara replaced by dakara, alpa prana, then dum. Then you have bodh, Dum, rupam, right? Bodhum means to know. Dogdum means to milk. From dugdhatu. Dug means to milk. Understand this? Examples?
Yes,
Yes,
Chief.
Guruji. Mhm.
Yes, Chief.
This is Jashvat Vidhi number 2. Comes later. Because if it is Padanta Jal, Jashvat Vidhi number 1 would have done something. It is not Padanta. So therefore, Jashvat Vidhi number 2, when it comes, it does this job. Convert this into this. So remember the sequence: Jashva Vidhi, then Shtutva Vidhi, Ashtutva Vidhi, then Anunasika Sandhi, then Jashva Vidhi number 2. Okay. Then the next one is Chartva Vidhi. I think this is where we left in last class. Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
After Jashva Vidhi number 2, Chartva Vidhi comes. Now, what does it say? Chartva Vidhi. You can guess the meaning of the rule by the name. We just give the name. See, Jashva Vidhi, when we say, it is Jash is the Adesha.
Yeah.
Anunasika Sandhi, when we say, Anunasika is the Adesha. Right? Shtutva, when we say, Shtu is the Adesha. Then Shtutva, we say, Shtutva is the Adesha. All the Sandhis are named after the Adesha. Right?
Mhm.
So Chartva Vidhi means what?
Chatva will be Adesha.
Not Chartva. Tva is different. Char is the Adesha.
Char.
When he says Shtutva, not Shtutva is the Adesha. Shtu is the Adesha. Right?
Shtu.
Char is the Adesha. Now, what are the Char letters?
They are the first letters, Guruji. Kachata, Tapa.
Yes. You have to
And
take the
and
sutra Kha Pa Cha Tha Tha Chatatau. From that sutra, start from Chatata.
No.
Chatatau, Kapai,
Kapai.
Shasha, Sar. That also included sibilants, 3 sibilants.
Hmm.
So those will be the Adesha. Those will be the Adesha. These letter will be the Adesha. For again here also, for practical purposes, you can take the first letter of all the class consonants. Chatata, Kapa, right?
Yeah.
Or Kacha, Tatapa. Anyway, you can take it. If you take by the Pratyahara order, then it should be Chatata, Kapa.
Yeah.
Shashasa, as I said, you can leave it for practical purposes, not required.
Mhm.
So now Jal letter, again here a Jal. Jal letter, Jal is very important. Jal Pratyahara, you need to know what are the contents of Jal. Now Jal letter, what happens to Jar letter will be replaced by Char letter. That is what the rule. When it is replaced, that is what we are going to see. So Char letter, we can take it as the Varga Pratamaha. For practical purposes, we can take it as the first letter of class consonants. Okay. So you don't have to worry. What will happen? Shashasa, that example and all, when it comes, you will see it won't come. Then, when this is applied, when followed by Kar letter, that is important. What is Kar letter? Odd consonants. Kha, pa, cha, tha, tha, chatatau, kapai, sha, sha, sa. Those are the Kar letters. Kathora Vyanjanani. When Jal letter is followed by Kathora Vyanjanani, then Jal letter will be replaced by Char letter. That is what the first rule is. Is it understand? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, if the Jal letter is not followed by Kar, it is at the end. Avasana. Avasana means you know. What is Avasana?
Yeah. End of the word.
Avasana, end of the word, or pause, stoppage, pause, or end of the word also. End of the word, we pause, right? Before we start the next sentence, we pause. End of the sentence, not end of the word, end of the sentence. Between the word, if we have pause, then it's called Avasana. The sentence within the word, we pause. That's called Avasana. But generally, we pause at the end of the sentence. Therefore, Avasana. So anything can, both are Avasana only. Then now, Padant, no, not Padanta, Avasana Jal. Avasana Jal means Jal at the Avasana. It means what follows?
Virama.
Virama,
No, Char.
no,
Char.
right? No. Virama only. Avasana only
Virama.
follows.
Yeah.
Avasana Jal means Jal followed by, not by Kar. Avasana follows because Avasana only you're talking about pause.
Mm.
Nothing
Mm.
that Dhvani abhava, that's called avasana. Shabda abhava, it's called avasana. Absence of sound, absence of the word, absence of the letter, the pronunciation of the any word or letter, it's called avasana. It means you're pausing, you're taking a breath, and then start speaking. That's called avasana. So now, jal letter at the avasana. Jal letter followed by nothing. Followed by avasana. Not nothing. Okay, avasana, let us say. Then also jal letter will be replaced by kar letter. In two situation, it can happen. Now let us take example of when kar letter follows, what will happen? You have to do it. Dik plus palaha. Tell me what will happen.
Plus
I
the
told the rule. Huh?
Yeah, the corresponding char letter.
No,
Kakara
don't jump into this immediately. First, what will you do?
Just for Sandhi.
Very good. Gesture Sandhi to be applied first. Don't
Just for
forget that.
Sandhi rule number 1.
Gesture Sandhi to be applied first. If to be applied first means you have to see whether it is applicable.
Hmm.
If it is not a Padanta Jal, you cannot apply. Remember, Padanta Jal will be replaced by just letter we saw, right?
Yep.
If it is not a Padanta Jal, you can't apply. Dik is a Padam. Dik is a Padam. Dik, Dishau, Dishaha. It is Shakaranta Shabda. It's a Padam. Palaha is also a Padam. Right? If you don't know, I will tell you it's a Padam. Because with Dik Shabda, we have to know. Then only you know whether it is a Padam or not. So, Dik is a Padam. Now you apply just Vidhi number 1. What will happen?
Ga will come.
Gakara will come. You should not say Ga, you should say Gakara. Gakara will come. Dik plus Palaha. Now after that, what will happen? Can you apply Shuddha Sandhi? No, you can't apply. Can you apply Shuddha Sandhi? There is no Sakara Tavarga. What to talk about Shuddha, not apply. Cannot be applicable. Can you apply Anunasika Sandhi? Yes or no? Say yes or no.
No.
Can be applied. Why? Because Anunasika doesn't follow. Pakara follows. That also cannot be applied. Can you apply just Vidhi number 2?
No,
Why not? Not possible.
it is.
Why not? Tell
Jal
me.
letter followed by
It can,
Jash.
okay. It can
Just
be
that, no,
jal
it's
letter.
not possible. You're right only. I'm asking why not means I'm not asking it is possible.
Because
I'm not saying it is possible.
It's not
It is-
a Padanta jal.
No. It's a that is not the answer. Not it's good.
Just letters.
Not followed by
It
just
is
letter.
by just letter. Yeah.
Not followed by just letter. Therefore, it is not possible. You cannot apply just within number 2. So after applying all the rules in the sequentially one by one, now we come to Charta Vidhi. Does it fulfill the condition of Charta Vidhi for application? Yes or no? If it is yes, tell me how.
Followed by
Followed by
Followed by
Kar.
Kar letter.
Kar
Kar
letter.
letter.
It is a Kar letter. Very good. And what letter is here?
Jal.
Jal letter.
Jal.
Okay. Should it be a Padam? No, there's
No.
no such condition. Right? Anything. If it is anything, you can apply. Dik plus Palaha, you can apply. Therefore, Gakara will be replaced by corresponding char letter. What is a char letter for Gakara? Not a difficult question, simple question.
Kakara.
Kakara.
Gakara will come. So, Dik Palaha. The same thing. Why don't you do it in the beginning? It should not do. Dik plus Palaha in the beginning itself, I will apply, just join this, apply Kar letter. No. It has to undergo this transformation. Finally, only you can do. This is the rule. If you do it in the beginning, if you do it in the beginning itself, then this may work for this example. For other example, it may not work. Something will happen. So always follow the krama, the order. So Dik plus Palaha, this comes Dik plus Palaha, then Dik Palaha. Right? I'll give another example. Vipad plus Kalaha. what will happen? Vipat plus Kalaha.
It will become Vipat, the Vipat Kala.
What rule apply? You apply first.
First is the Jal one, Guruji, because
Just was something.
just
Just
First
the number
just one.
Number
one.
one.
Apply that. What will
One.
happen?
Vipat, it becomes the Vipat Kalaha.
Really? That's it. What Jashvavidhi applies?
Wait a minute.
You are saying Jashvavidhi and you are
Jash.
saying Takara contradictory.
Yeah. Ja.
What will happen? Anybody?
It will remain as it is.
It will remain the is the.
Dakara.
Kalaha only.
Takara is replaced by Dakara. That's all.
Dakara itself, yes.
Applying Jashasandhi, nothing happens. Here Dakara is a Jal letter followed by not required. It's a Padanta Jal. Vipat is a Padam. Okay. Number one, you have to know that is a Padam. Vipat is a Padam. So Padanta Jal will be replaced by Jash. Already Jash letter is there. Replace a Jash letter by Jash letter. That's all. Replace it by Jash letter. Applying the rule. Vipat plus Kalaha is Vipat plus Kalaha. Then after that, any other rule possible in between? You have to rule out. Shtutva cannot be applied. Anunasika cannot be applied. Then come to Sharta Vidhi. Sharta Vidhi, what happens?
The Dakara will become Takara, the first.
Now only it will
Takara.
become Takara because this is a Jal letter followed by Kar letter.
Her letter.
Therefore, Dakara will be replaced by corresponding Char letter, which is Takara. Vipat Kalaha. Is it clear?
Nation.
Next one. Then Drishad plus Patati. What will happen? Drishad plus Patati. Or let me put it as Drishad plus Patati. Patati is a Padam. Therefore, Drishad is
A Padam too.
Padam 2.
Padam.
What letter at the end?
Jal.
Hell letter.
See, that you have to develop. But this, seeing that you have to look upon the Takara as a Jal letter. Once you see it as a Padam, you should look upon as a Padam. Don't get hold on to some other Pratyahara, followed by Khar later. Drishad plus Patati. Drishad is a Padam. At the end, Takara is it is a Jal letter. Padanta Jal letter. Then only Jashasandhi will come to your mind. You apply Jashasandhi. What will happen to Takara? Takara will
Takara.
become
Dakara.
Takara.
Dakara.
Drishad Patati. After that, can you apply Shtutva, rule out one by one? Anunasika cannot be applied.
No.
Jashvavidhi number 2, don't forget that. Can it be applied?
Yes.
Yes. Huh? Yes. Can be applied?
No. Charlotte.
That cannot be
No.
applied because
No.
not followed by Jash. Jash is a
Jash.
soft consonant. Here Pakara is a hard consonant. You cannot apply that. Come to Chartavidhi. So that also cannot be. Jashvavidhi number 2 cannot be applied. When you come here, so Jal letter followed by Kar letter. Jal will be replaced by corresponding
Takara.
Takara. So
Takara.
Drishad Patati you will get. Right? Now, I'll give another example. You can take this. Then what will happen? Apply the rules in order. First rule is
Jal letter.
Jal.
okay.
So the Dakara remains because it is Jal letter replaced by Jal letter. The
Okay.
replaced with the.
Mhm. Then after that,
And then ga is
Then Chatvam.
Jal letter. Jal letter is Shtutvam 2.
yes, Anuradha, did you say
Just letter.
which is just letter?
Just letter.
Which is just, there is no just at all here. I mean, sorry,
Just
is right. I mean, there is no,
Followed by Jash.
after applying Jashvavidhi number 1, you cannot apply Shtutva, but Jashvavidhi number 2. That can be applied. That's what he says. It's correct. Just letter is there. Just 4 and 3 follows. Follows what? Follows Jal letter. Just Vidhi number 2 to be applied. Don't forget that. Then you can come to Chartha Vidhi and all, right? Applying
No.
Just Vidhi number 2. What will happen? Why? No.
Because it is not Jash letter, guys.
Really? First you have to straighten out your
Oh, sorry,
Pratyahara.
sorry,
Okay.
sorry. Sorry,
That's what I'm in the beginning
I
saying.
take back.
Straighten out your
Just-
Pratyahara. Please do some homework on that.
Jash letter. Yeah,
Jabagadadash.
yeah.
Jabai Gadadash, Jabagadadash, Dakara is there. So Jashtra Vidhi to be applied. So Jashtra Vidhi number 1 is applied. Jashtra Vidhi 2, after
Is
that,
applied.
that is applied. Then after that, what is applied? Anantaji, you said Chatta Vidhi.
Yes, Sharanji.
Can you apply that? Think.
No, because it's not Karl letter.
Gakara is not Kar letter.
Yeah.
So you cannot apply Charta Vidhi. Therefore, this is not an example for Charta Vidhi. Okay. This is an example for Jashtra Vidhi only. So Suhrit plus Gachati, it is Suhrit plus Gachati. 2 rules are applied here. One is Jashtra Vidhi number 2. Other one is, sorry, Jashtra Vidhi number 1. And after that, Jashtra Vidhi number 2. In that Krama only, you have to know it. First is Padantajal replaced by just letter. Second one, it is not a Padantajal, it is Jal followed by Jash. Then this Jal is replaced by Jash. So, Surendraji, you said correctly. This what applied. This is a Krama. Understand the Krama? Yes.
Yes, Jay.
Guruji, one doubt.
Yes. This is not an example for Charta Vidhi. So, I'm cutting this and pasting under this. This is an example here, in fact. This is an example for the previous one, just a bit. This is the example, good example. Anyway, yeah, tell me, yes.
Yes,
What's your
Guruji, why we are applying the Jashva Vidhi 2 here? Because anyway, the last letter remains the same. So,
You have to apply it. You have to apply till you reach the end of this route, the sequence of routes. I gave the reason, technical reason I gave. What is the technical reason? Technical means from the standpoint of the Ashtadhyayi.
Go in
Ashtadhyayi, you go in sequence. Not all the sutra, not all the rules. Starting from 8.2, first of all, you should know how many chapters are there, how many, all these are extra information, as I said before. This is not taught in this way, but I am teaching because keeping in mind the Ashtadhyayi only. In Ashtadhyayi, Ashta means 8, Adhyaya means chapter. It has got 8 chapters. So, and each chapter has got 4 sections. So, therefore, 8.2, 8th chapter, second section onwards, means first sutra onwards. Here, it is 39th sutra. Each chapter can have any number of sutra. That number differs. That doesn't matter. 8.2.1 onwards, you have to apply. How many section each chapter has got? 8 point. Each chapter has got 4 sections. Therefore, how many section will be there in the 8th chapter?
4 sections.
4. Up to 8.4 end. You have to apply the rules in sequence. That is why number I given. If you can follow the number, it is good. If you don't follow, you can remember the rule in order what I presented. Jashtra Vidhi, number 1. Then Shtutva, Shtutva. In between, some more rules will come. That you have to keep it open. Then Anunasika Sandhi. Then Jashtra Vidhi number 2. Then Charta Vidhi. This is the order. Is it clear now why it is?
yeah,
Yep.
okay.
So till the 8.2 up to 8.4, even though nothing will happen, you have to apply. If you don't apply, something will happen, may happen. Right? So that is why this training you have to train yourself to this prakriya, this method. You have to train yourself to apply this prakriya so that you will not do mistake in splitting or joining the sandhi. Okay, it is, don't think all the rules are separate. They are tight compartments. No, they are all connected. Here, at least in 8.2 up to 8.4, technically. Non-technically, starting from Jashwa Sandhi onwards, up to Chartha Sandhi. Apply the Sandhi rules sequentially, one after the other. You remember the order.
So Jashwa 2 will come only after the Anunasika.
Yes, exactly. Yes. There is no
Jashwa
connection between Anunasika and Jashwa Sandhi.
Jashwa
Okay.
1 will come first, then Shutva, and
Yes.
Anunasika.
Yes, I'll show you the sequence later. Maybe in the chart I'll show you. First is Jashwa Sandhi number 1, then Shutva Shtutva, then Jashwa Sandhi number 2, then this Anunasika Sandhi will come. Then after that Jashwa Sandhi number 2 will come. Then comes Chartha Vidhi. Anunasika Sandhi, if it is applicable, you apply. If it is not applicable, don't apply. If it's not applicable, you don't have to worry. Okay, that's the rule which is not applicable, you can apply. Like Shutva Sandhi not applicable, you skip that. If it is applicable, you do. That's why I have given my number 22, 23, 24. You can see on the left hand side. Anyway, you can remember, it is your choice. Okay, but you have to remember this order. If you remember this order, you will not do mistake. Now let me give example for Avasana Jal, followed by Avasana, nothing follows. Then what will happen? You take the same example. Dig. Dig is there. What will happen? Followed by Avasana. Nothing follows. A pause. A long pause. So what will happen to Dig? Avasana Jal. Jal followed by Avasana. What happens?
It becomes Kaspara.
Optionally.
It becomes?
Optionally.
Yes,
Ka.
optionally. It becomes optionally
Chatva Vidhi
Dig.
applies.
Kakara, or remains as it is. That is why this Ramad, we have Rama Shabda. It is, we say Ramad. Okay, let us take it is Ramad. Ramad is what, Padam or not? Padam, right? It's okay.
Yes.
What it may be. Now, followed by nothing. Avasana. Followed by Avasana. Therefore, Ramat will become. What will happen to Ramat?
Ramad or Ramad.
Ramad or Ramat. First, what you will apply? What rule you will apply? Don't forget that. The same thing applicable here also. Previous one also.
Avasana rule, Guruji.
First rule, what rule you will apply? In the first one also you have to apply this. Don't forget that. So let me just within number 1 you have to apply. Dig will become Dig. Dakara is a Jal letter. Jal Padanta Jal is replaced by just letter. Dig becomes Dig. Then Dig is followed by Avasana. Optionally, it can be replaced by Kar letter. Therefore, Dig or Dig. This is how we have to apply. Get trained in this sequence. Apply Jashwa Vidhi first. Don't apply immediately this rule alone. First to see. When I say Padam, that's why I use the word Padam. Ramat is a Padam. Then Ramat, what will happen to Ramat now?
Ramad.
Ramad, Jashwa Vidhi number 1 to be
Yes.
applied.
Yeah.
Now it is Padanta Jal. It is Jal letter. Followed by Avasana. Therefore, Dakara will become optionally.
Takara optionally.
Takara option. Therefore, Ramat or Ramat. We have seen Marut Shabda. How do you decline Marut Shabda? Marut is Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Marut Shabdaha, right? Pratama Vivakti Ekavachanam is
Marut.
Marut. The same thing. Marut is Marut. This is Padanta Takara. Replace it by Dakara Jashwa Vidhi. Then Dakara followed by Avasana. Dakara is a Jal letter. So you're applying this Chartha Vidhi. Okay. Jashwa Vidhi first. After that, no other Vidhi applies. Therefore, you are applying this Chartha Vidhi. In Chartavedi, it is not followed by kar, it is followed by avasana. Therefore, replace dakara by takara, optionally marut or marud. You apply, you get it. Understand?
Marut. Marut.
Yes.
So two forms are there, marud, marud. Marut or marud, both are okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
I'll give another example for this gesture vidhi. You know Marut Shabda, because Marut Shabda came. Marut Shabda. All of you know Marut Shabda, I think. I taught
Yes,
you, right?
Guruji.
What is
Yeah, yeah.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam? Tritiya Vibhakti
Marut.
Dvivachanam. Dvivachanam.
Marudbhyam.
Marudbhyam. So Marud plus Bhyam. Right? Now, you don't know, I tell you, Marut is a padam. Here also it is a padam only. Technically, it's a padam. You may ask, how Marut can be a padam? Marudbhyam only is a padam. But technically, Marut also padam. Why it is? Don't worry about it now. Just take it for granted.
It's Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
No. How can be Prathama Vibhakti? Marudbhyam is Tritiya Vibhakti.
No,
Dvivachanam.
Marut word itself is Pradama Vibhakti.
That you cannot take like that. You cannot take like that.
Okay.
If it's Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam has got the Pratyaya, that Pratyaya has disappeared, therefore you have Marut. And that thing is not this Marut. This is a Pratipadikam Marut.
Mhm.
This Marut is, you declined Dakarantaha Pullingaha Marut Shabdaha, that Marut is this.
Mhm.
For Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, you applied the Pratyaya, Supratyaya came and that vanished, that disappeared, therefore you have Marut. That's different.
Okay.
This Marut plus Bhyam. Bhyam is a Pratyaya. Marut Shabda, the Bhyam Pratyaya, both together will make a Padam.
Mhm.
Fine. Both only will make a Padam. But I am saying Marut also is a Padam. Because technically, it gets its name, Padam. Don't worry about that, I said. You take it for granted. You have to know this. Otherwise, you will scratch your head. How Marut is a Padam? That's why I mark it yellow color. You take it as a Padam. You don't know how it is. Just take it.
Mhm.
Now apply the rule. We are interested in Sandhi rule. So apply this. If it's a Padam, then what will apply first?
Yes.
Representing.
Just as
The
Sandhi number
Padam
one.
is
Just as Sandhi number one. You have to say number one, number two. So that for our understanding.
Yeah.
Takara will be replaced by Dakara.
Dakara.
Dakara. Jash.
Marud is what is now is a Padam or not? It's a Padam only.
Yes,
Continues
Ji.
to be a Padam only. Okay.
Yes,
Nothing
Ji.
happens. Why it continue? Because Takara has become Dakara, does it lose its Padatvam? No. If a dog's tail is removed, will it continue to be a dog or it will become a cat?
It will be a dog.
I think this will stay forever now, Guruji.
Okay. So the same thing applies here. So therefore, Marud is a Padam only. Now this is a Paribhasha. In fact, what I said is not what I said. It is said in the tradition. In the Paribhasha, they say Ekashesha Vitatam Ananyavat. They say Kukurasya Puchaha. Suppose if it is cut, it continues to be dog. This example is given. Okay.
Okay.
So it is a Padam only. Don't think it has become something. Now Dakara is there. Anyway, that Padasanya, it is a Padam. So Marut has become now Marut. And after that, what rule will apply? Go by the sequence.
Jastva 2.
Just within number 2 only you have to apply. Shtutva, those things you cannot apply. Anunasika Sandhi, there is no question of Anunasika. Only when Anunasika letter follows, only you have to think about Anunasika. Does it follow?
No.
Leave it. Then Jal letter is there, followed by Bhakara. When you see Mahaprana, third letter, fourth letter, you have to remember Jasha Sandhi. Not Kar letter, Jash letter. Fourth letter, third letter follows. Then remember if Jal letter is there. When you see Mahaprana here, soft Mahaprana, soft consonant Mahaprana, or even Alpa Prana, the third letter. Remember Jasha Sandhi number 2. Applying Jasha Sandhi number 2, you get Marudbhyam. Marud only, the same. Marud plus Bhyam. So therefore you get Marudbhyam. This is the form you have. Marut, Maruto, Marutaha, Maruta, Marudbhyam, iti. But you have to know, you have to see here Jaswasadi number 1 and here Jaswasadi number 2 is applied. And after that, we just joined it. That's all. Okay, Marudbhyam. So here followed by just letter. Therefore, this Dakara remains as it is. Okay, now let me take this same example, Marut Shabda itself. Marut plus Su. This is also from the Marut Shabda, Saptami Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Here also you take for granted, Marut is a Padam. You take for granted, okay. Therefore, now apply the rules, what you have learned.
Just for one.
Just for 1, it becomes
Marud.
Marut plus
Marud.
Su. Then after the Shutta Sandhi, can you apply? No. Because Sakara, Dakara, it both are Stu only. Therefore, no question of Shtutva, right? Can you apply Anunasika? No.
No.
Anunasika doesn't follow. Can you apply Jashavidi number 2? Yes or no? Jashavidi
Yes,
number 2. Huh?
No.
Yes.
No,
Think, okay. Before you say think.
No.
No. Number 2.
What letter follows?
Should be just.
Kar letter follows. It is Kar letter follows, not just letter, right? How can you apply Jashavidi number 2? Kar letter follows. Therefore, Jashavidi number 2 cannot be applied. Then why I'm giving this example here? Take it out. Okay, I will remove it later. Now what will apply then? Followed by Kar letter. Which letter?
Ta.
Which letter?
Charlie.
Become
So,
Dakara will become
Jal letter is followed by Kar letter.
Takara.
Therefore, Jal letter will become
Takara.
Chartavidi applied. Dakara replaced by Takara.
Takara.
Marut plus Su. What is the form of Marut Shabda Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam? Bhagavachanam? Marutsu.
Marutsu.
So you get Marutsu. Why you have Marudbhyam here? Why you have Marutsu here? The reason is this Sandhi. Now you know very well why it is. Taking for granted that Marut, in these cases, it's a Padam. In these cases only, not every case, okay? So here Marut plus Bhyam, the Dakara remains because the following letter is a Jash letter. Here the Marut becomes Dakara, the Padanta, the Dakara, the Jal letter, Dakara become Kar letter. Marutsu. Why? Because followed by Kar letter. Su. Su is a Kar letter. Understand?
Yes, Guruji. Okay.
Both this example, let it be here so that you will understand the contrast, why it is. This is strictly the example for Chartha Vidhi. Within bracket, Udaharanam for Chartha Vidhi. Okay, understand this? So, you know,
Yes.
remember the order. You have to what? You have to do some homework. You have to keep repeating this, just with the and this sequence. The sequence you need to remember. Now let me do the next Sandhi. Now you can see the how many rules we have seen. So many rules we have seen. I'm not asking you to remember the Achandi rule sequentially. This Sandhi you have to remember sequentially. This is how it is. From 8 onwards, you have to remember sequentially. That comes only by Abhyasa. Keep practicing it. So next one, number 26. And in the Ashtadhyaya, you can see the number 8448. 48 comes after, 58. 58 comes after 56. What is 56? 56 is this Chartha Vidhi. 58 is the following the rule. What is the rule? Now you see the rule 58. That is, this is the Parasavarna Sandhi. This is, we call it as, let us call it as the name, let us name it as Parasavarna Sandhi. It is Parasavarna Sandhi. What happens here? So now after Chartha Vidhi, Parasavarna Vidhi, the order you have to remember. Now here what happens? Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following 8. What do you understand by this? Tell me. Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following 8. What do you understand?
Yai is up to kapai, higher word, ya to ya.
Yes. It means what?
All the vowels.
All the
No,
vowels.
no, Vyanjana. Except
Oh, sorry, all the consonants, sorry. All the
all
consonants.
Vyanjan consonants
May
except
vowels and
sibilants.
consonants.
Vowels also will come.
All the
Except sibilants
consonants
and ha.
except sibilants. That's all. All the consonants except sibilants. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Ji.
Guruji.
That is A letter. So okay. A letter done. Then what is that then? What is that this rule says? How do you, I have given a translation. From the translation you can understand. So many translations we have seen. How do you approach it? What are the
When the
things?
sthani is in Anuswara, it will
Very
be
good.
followed
That you have
by-
to say. Very good. Sthani is Anuswara. Then
The
what is it?
Adesha becomes a yaya letter.
Adesha, not really the A, Savarna of the A. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The
Savarna. This is what you have to see. What is Tani, what is Adesha? If you can say, then it means you have understood Sandhi correctly. I given the translation. Immediately you have to see from the translation. What is this Tani? What is the Adesha? When does it happen? There should be a nimitta. There should be a cause for happening, right? Yes or no? There should be a cause.
Yes, ma'am.
So without cause, how things will happen? There must be nimitta must be there, right? What is the nimitta which causes that? That you have to see. So now Tanuja ji has Ganga. That comes under this rule. Okay. That is now you see. Anuswara. What is Anuswara?
The fifth letters of the Varga.
No. That is Anunasika. That is
Anunaska.
different.
Anuswara is the bindu.
Anuswara is Bindu. Anuswara also Anunasika. I mean, it's pronounced with the nose. Okay, Nasika, Anuswara is not Anunasika. Nasik, that's Anuswara is Nasika. Ucharana sthanam is Nasika. Anunasika also Nasika, along with the place of pronunciation of the respective class. Anuswara is also Nasika. From the standpoint of the Ucharana sthanam, both are Nasika. That is the only common thing. But Anuswara is different.
Fifth letters will be Anuswara. No.
Anunas.
No.
Anunasika.
Fifth letter is, that's what I'm saying, right?
Oh, okay.
Fifth letters are Anunasika. Don't confuse with these two. Anuswara and Anunasika. Anuswara is Bindu. That Bindu, right? That is Anuswara. Sorry, that's Anuswara. I did say Anunasika. Okay, by mistake. Anuswara. Anuswara is that Bindu. Anunasika is Varga Panchamaha, fifth letter of all the classes Anunasika. From the standpoint of the Ucharana Sthanam, both are Nasika. That is only commonality.
Yep.
Anuswara is Bindu, Anunasika is fifth letter of all the classes, right? Now we are talking about Anunasika, fifth letter, Panchama Varna or Anuswara?
Anuswara, which is the bindu.
Anuswara. So wherever Anuswara is there, that we are talking about. This Anuswara, no condition. No condition means no condition in terms of whether it should be at the end of the padam or a padam, no, not pada, that no, not there at all. Any Anuswara, right? Anuswara is there. Then followed by the A letter, followed by any consonant other than sibilants. That's called A is. Then what will happen? Savarna of the A. Now we have to see the Savarna of the A. What do you mean by Savarna of the A? In what way it is connected to Anuswara?
By the Vargas.
Fifth, if you take class consonants, A letter has got class consonants. Say, for example, Kavarga is there. Let us take Kavarga. Now, Kavarga letter follows. Then the Anuswara will be replaced by
Nakara.
Na, because that Nakara is what? Nasika. Anuswara is also Nasika, right? Therefore, the corresponding replacement, Savarna is this Savarna in terms of Ucharana Sthanam. Anuswara being Nasika, it has to be replaced by a Nasika letter. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the Nasika letter of Kavarga?
Nga, the fifth letter.
Fifth letter.
Nga.
Because Anunasika it is, therefore Nasika Asti eva, right? Therefore that alone will replace. Now you see the example. Plus kaha. The same example, I'm giving Kavarga letter example. Plus kaha. What will happen?
Angaha.
Angaha.
Ankaha.
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 Plus kaha. Followed by, is Anuswara, followed by the A letter. That Kavarga letter is there. What are the Savarna letters of Kavarga? You have to remember Savarna, we discussed.
Nga. Nga.
What are the Savarna letters for Kavarga? The Kakara. What are these Savarna letters for Kakara?
Kakha, Gaganga.
All the letters. Kha, kha, ga, ga, nga, right? The kha, ga, all these are Savarna, right? You have
Yeah.
seen.
Oh. Yep.
Now, kha is also Savarna, ga is also Savarna, gha is also Savarna, and nga also is Savarna. So, Kakara has got 4 Savarna letters. Similarly,
Yep.
Kakara has got 4 Savarna letters. Gakara has got 4 Savarna letters, right?
Yep.
Now, which is the which Savarna letter has got this Anunasika component, 5th letter?
Fifth letter.
Therefore, Anuswara followed by a letter, Anuswara will be replaced by the 5th letter of the following class. Therefore, Ankaha it becomes. The same thing, Gum plus Ga. What will happen here?
Nga.
Ganga.
Ganga.
Anuswara is replaced by Nakara because Nakara's Anunasika, Savarna Anunasika letter is Nakara. So, Ganga you get.
Ganga.
Tanujaji, you asked this question. This is different. This is
Yeah.
Parasavarna Sandhi. Don't confuse with that Anunasika Sandhi. That is different. This is different.
Parasavarna Sandhi.
So you have to remember this rule. Where does the rule, when does where or when this rule applied? After Charta Vidhi, at the end. So you have to remember that also. Don't apply it in the beginning itself. So this is a sequence. Now let me tell you the sequence. You can note it. Chashtra Vidhi number 1, then Shutta
Wait a
Vidhi, Shtutta Vidhi, then comes after that Anunasika Sandhi,
Just working.
then Jashta Vidhi number 2, after that one is Jashta Vidhi number 2, then Charta Vidhi, then Parastavana Sandhi. As of now, this is a sequence. The sequence may change when we insert more rules. Sequence may not change. We may insert more rules in between. Okay. This order you need to remember. Now, let me complete this rule. One more point is that now here and gum are the examples where it is not a pada. Now, if it is a padanta anuswara, then what happens? Then the replacement of the Anuswara by the Savarna A letter is optional. It is optional. For example, I'll give for Padanta Anuswara, a replacement by the Savarna of the following A is optional. Right? For example, okay, let me give a simple example. From Patasi. What is Tvam? Tvam is a Padam or not?
Yes, it
Yes,
is.
it is a Padam.
Padam. And there's Anuswara at the end of the Padam, right?
Yep.
So Padanta Anuswara followed by what letter is this? It's an A letter. It's a A letter or not?
Gay letter, yes.
Should not have any doubt. A letter means all the consonants, right? Except
Yes,
sibilants.
Yep.
So therefore, it can become Tvam Patasi optionally, or it can remain as it is. Tvam Patasi. Both are okay. Tvam Patasi. So therefore, Tvam Patasi can remain as it is, or that Anuswara can be replaced by the Savarna letter of the following A. Okay. See, when you keep, when somebody is talking around you, keep your mic in mute. Every time I cannot keep your mic, I myself keep my my mic mute. It's a problem. Yes, I understand this, Tom Patasi.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. So this is optional. This Anuswara replacement by this Parasavarana letter is optional when the Anuswara is at the end of the Padam. So Parasavarana, this is Parasavarana, this is also Parasavarana Sandhi only. So this is Parasavarana Sandhi. You can name it as number 1 or you can name it as number 2.
Mhm.
Your choice. That you can name it as you like. Parasavarana Sandhi. That Parasavarana Sandhi number 1 is for Apadanta Anuswara. Parasavarana Sandhi number 2 is for Padanta Anuswara. All these rules you have to remember, then only you can split the text Gita and all, you can split and understand. Okay. I think we can stop here. Then more rules are yet to come that we will see later. With this rules are enough. With this, we will do some practice. 2 more rules are there that I will deal with them in the next class. After that, we will do some Sandhi practice from the examples. Already that file I sent you, from that we can do it now.
Yes,
Once you
Guruji.
get familiar with this Sandhi, then next other Sandhi rules we will see. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. You can unmute your mic and ask if you have any doubts.
We will have to hear the recording again and ask, because so you are loaded with so much information today.
Not so much information. So if you see the content, if you can write within half a page, only a matter of practice. Listen to the recording. It's available always. Practice.
Guruji, that sequence, how it follows, is there any presentation or something?
Number.
No, I told you the sequence. You have to note it.
Okay.
What presentation? Presentation. There's
No,
no presentation.
No, is there any data? Like,
This is the presentation.
right, understand. Correct.
The word file, what are you sharing now?
This is the presentation.
This is, you can, I sent you, I think. This, yeah, this, 1 minute. Let me check if you have anything, if you prepared anything for Sunday like that.
Similar
I
to
don't
how you
think-
shared a chart like for those.
The
Word.
Sunday, I'm not sure. Let me check a minute. Sunday, okay.
Looking at this document itself, we can make it out, Guruji.
Yeah, I agree,
Yes,
because
Guruji.
I mean, ultimately we'll have
Yeah.
to follow the same sequence only.
One I prepared, but for that, okay. I think I have to cover some more rules for that. You can see the screen. You can see the screen now. It is there.
Good.
Perfect, Guruji. This is what I wanted.
Just as Sandhi number 1, then Shuddha Ashtutva, then Anuswara Sandhi, just as Sandhi number 2, Chartha Sandhi, then Parasavarana Sandhi, that is what we saw.
Correct.
Then Latva Sandhi we are going to see, and Pura Savarna Sandhi. This is the one.
Exactly. Yeah, this clears the sequences. Yes. Thank you,
This
Guruji.
is brilliant.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'll send you this.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Om
Guruji.
Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Dhanyawada,
much,
Guruji.
Guruji. This was very nice.
Dhanyawada,
Ananta,
Guruji.
dhanyawada,
Very
Guruji.
impressive.
Thank you, Guruji.
Dhanyawada.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you so much, Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Thank you.